welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a crash course on determinants of matrices. Alright, let's say that we are given this matrix A is equal to these numbers here. When we find the determinant of a matrix, we can either write det before the matrix, or we can say determinant of A is equal to the matrix, but instead of using the brackets here, we write single lines on either side. Then to find the determinant of a matrix, a 3x3 matrix like this, we block out the top row and the first column, and we do this number here times the determinant of these numbers here. So when we do that, we get I times the determinant of the matrix B, C, E, F. Then we move on to the next number. We block out the column and row that it is in, and we say, when we find the determinant, we alternate signs between every number in the top row that we are looking at. So, for the first one, it's positive. For the next one, we are going to subtract J times the determinant of the matrix of the letters that are, or numbers that are not blocked out. So this becomes J times the matrix A, C, D, F. Finally, we block out the numbers in the top row and the last column corresponding to our K here. And then we add K times the determinant of this matrix here, which is A, B, D, E. Our final step here is to find the determinant of these matrices. So when we do that, we have I times the quantity. We do some cross multiplication. So we have B times F minus C times E. And then for the next one, we have J times the quantity A times F minus C times D. Finally, we have K times A times E minus B times D. And then that's it. All right, now let's say that we want to find the determinant of this matrix. To do that, we are going to block out the row and the column that our first one is in. So this then becomes 1 times the determinant of our matrix 5, 6, 2, 1. Next up, we have 2. Remember, we subtract because it alternates signs. We're going to have 2 times the matrix 4, 6, 3, 1. And then we're going to have 3 times the matrix 4, 5, 3, 2. And then we find the determinants of these smaller matrices. So here we're going to have 5 times 1 minus 2 times 6. And we're going to have the 2 times 4 times 1 minus 6 times 3. And then finally we have 3 times 4 times 2 minus 3 times 5. All right, and then we can do some arithmetic and then we'll find our final answer. So we have -7 plus 28 minus 21, which is equal to 0. All right, and so we've reached our final answer, and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching. This has actually been part of my final project for my math degree. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them in the comments below. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.